Welcome to Brussels, the enchanting capital of Belgium and the heart of Europe. Known for its stunning architecture, delectable chocolates, and world-famous waffles, Brussels offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modern charm. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this vibrant city is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking unique experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, Brussels has something to captivate every tourist. Let's dive into the best 8 places to visit in Brussels that will make your travel itinerary unforgettable. One. Start your journey at the breathtaking Grand Place, the most famous square in Brussels and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Surrounded by opulent guild halls, the Town Hall, and the King's House, this square is a masterpiece of Gothic and Baroque architecture. During the day, the square bustles with tourists and locals alike, enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. By night, the illuminated buildings create a magical ambiance that is simply unforgettable. Visit during August to witness the stunning flower carpet event, where the square is adorned with a sea of vibrant blooms. Beyond its visual beauty, the Grand Place is also a hub of cultural events, including concerts, light shows, and seasonal markets that add to its charm. The lively cafes surrounding the square offer the perfect spot to sit back and enjoy the view while savoring some of the city's culinary delights. 2. A symbol of modern Brussels, the atomium is a striking architectural marvel, representing an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. Originally built for the 1958 World Expo, this futuristic structure has become one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Visitors can explore the various spheres connected by escalators, each housing exhibitions on art, science, and design. The top sphere offers a panoramic view of the city, providing a unique perspective on Brussels' landscape. The interactive exhibits within the spheres offer a fascinating journey through Belgium's history, scientific achievements, and visions of the future. The atomium's unique design and its blend of art and science make it a must-visit for anyone interested in architecture and innovation. 3. No trip to Brussels is complete without a visit to the quirky mannequin peace statue. This tiny bronze figure of a boy urinating into a fountain has become a symbol of the city's playful spirit and irreverence. Mannequin Peace is often dressed in various costumes throughout the year, reflecting local festivals and events. The nearby Museum of the City of Brussels showcases a collection of his outfits, offering an interesting insight into this peculiar tradition. It's a fun and lighthearted landmark that embodies the unique character of Brussels. Many visitors find themselves charmed by the city's humor and whimsy, which is perfectly encapsulated in this beloved statue. 4. The Royal Palace, located in the heart of the city, is the official palace of the Belgian monarchy. While the royal family no longer resides here, the palace remains a symbol of the monarchy and an important cultural site. Visitors can tour the palace during the summer months, exploring its lavish halls, grand staircases, and stunning artworks. The throne room and the Hall of Mirrors, adorned with over 1 million beetle wings, are particularly awe-inspiring. Each room tells a story of Belgium's royal history, and the intricate details of the palace's architecture reflect the country's rich heritage. The palace grounds also offer a lovely view of the surrounding area, making it a picturesque spot for photography. 5. Experience a whirlwind tour of Europe at Mini Europe, a charming theme park featuring miniature replicas of famous landmarks from across the continent. From the Eiffel Tower to Big Ben, this park showcases Europe's cultural heritage in a fun and educational way. Perfect for families and travelers of all ages, Mini Europe offers interactive exhibits, sound effects, and animations that bring these iconic structures to life. The detailed craftsmanship of each model makes it feel like you're traveling across Europe in a single afternoon. The park is both entertaining and informative, making it an ideal destination for those wanting to learn more about Europe's cultural diversity in a hands-on way. 6. Art lovers should not miss the Magritte Museum, dedicated to the works of renowned surrealist artist René Magritte. The museum houses an extensive collection of his paintings, drawings, and photographs, providing a deep dive into the mind of this iconic artist. Magritte's thought-provoking works challenge perceptions of reality, making this museum an essential stop for anyone interested in modern art. His iconic images, such as the man in a bowler hat or the pipe that is not a pipe, invite visitors to question their assumptions and view the world differently. The museum's well-curated exhibits make it easy to appreciate the depth and humor in Magritte's art, leaving visitors with a new perspective on surrealism. Seven. For a touch of luxury, head to the Galerie Royale Saint-Hubert, one of the oldest shopping arcades in Europe. This elegant gallery is home to high-end boutiques, chocolatiers, cafes, and theaters. The stunning glass-roofed arcade is perfect for a leisurely stroll where you can shop for Belgian chocolates, browse designer stores, or enjoy a coffee at one of the charming cafes. The galleries also host cultural events and exhibitions, making it a lively and dynamic destination. The arcade's timeless elegance and refined atmosphere offer a delightful experience for visitors looking to immerse themselves in Brussels' chic side. 8. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city at Parc du Cinquantenaire, a vast park featuring beautiful gardens, fountains, and impressive arches. Built to commemorate Belgium's 50th anniversary of independence, this park is a peaceful retreat for locals and tourists alike. The park is also home to several museums, including the Royal Museum of the Armed Forces and Military History and Auto World, which displays a fascinating collection of vintage cars. The iconic Triumphal Arch serves as a stunning backdrop for photos and offers a great view from the top. The sprawling lawns and peaceful pathways make it an excellent spot for outdoor activities and picnics, offering a refreshing contrast to the city's bustling streets. Brussels is a city that seamlessly blends historical grandeur with contemporary charm. From iconic landmarks like the Grand Place and Atomium to artistic treasures like the Magritte Museum, every corner of this city tells a story waiting to be discovered. Whether you're savoring Belgian chocolates, strolling through picturesque parks, or marveling at architectural wonders, Brussels offers unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Pack your bags and embark on an adventure to one of Europe's most captivating destinations. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine, Brussels promises to leave you enchanted and eager to return. Book your flights now and get ready to explore the best places to visit in Brussels. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and activate your notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy travels!